And we're back to learning CapCut. Let me show you a question mark effect or a confused effect. You want to put your footage in the timeline, then go to effects, open a drop down for video effects, find the cartoon category, and there is a question marks inbuilt. Download it. You can see that it's animated. You want to have some footage that fits, obviously. This guy gets confused about his papers and then he throws them in the air. So we may want to position the question marks right here where he has thrown them. So I position my marker here and I cut it with the split tool. You can press B for that. Now I select this clip and I want to create a freeze frame. When you've got the clip selected, you should find this option up here. Left click on it. Then add the question marks. Let me roll it. That's fine, but you can also see the question marks, they disappear. That's just the inbuilt animation. You can copy paste this, pressing Ctrl C, Ctrl V up to this size. But then you have two animations. Let me play it. So if you don't want that, and you want the question marks to be still, you have to do it differently. Let me delete it. You have to go to a position where you can see them. And you also want to see the footage. So make this big enough. Then select both. So left click, drag on them. Then right click, create a compound clip. And now you create another freeze frame right here. You can delete the excess part. I play it, and there you go, it's animated and then it's still. You can make this now as long or as short as you want to. Question marks will always be there. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.